Hey traders, John Howell here. We're going to be looking at the markets today, including gold, and it's actually not looking too good, guys. It's about to get real ugly. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, so let's get straight into today's update. So the markets today have continued to move on the downside. We probably will get some sort of a bit of a bounce here, maybe a bit of a bounce here, but it's probably going to be very short-lived. We are about to see capitulation. It's going to be panic selling that's going to come in the markets real soon, and we ain't seen nothing yet. And the reason why I say that is that I've actually got a target right now on the Nasdaq, and my target is down here at 7,000 on the Nasdaq. I believe we have a lot more downside to come on these overall markets. There's going to be panic selling and capitulation, and it's going to get really ugly by looking at these markets here. So we can see we've had this very big move up, and now we're getting this overall move to the downside. We're still trending down. We've had a little bit of a move on the downside, so I wouldn't be too surprised to see possibly a bit of a bounce through here, right? And then something like that, and then a move down to around about the 7,000 level on the Nasdaq. It's about to get ugly, guys. Very ugly. Again, that's the overall picture, okay? Not tomorrow, okay? It's like, oh my goodness, tomorrow it's gonna be down 50%. No, all right? That takes time, right? We may get a little bounce we may get a little bit of a bounce, but overall picture, this is actually looking pretty negative on the downside. Going through the Dow Jones as well too, same sort of thing. Bit of a strong break on this level here. So on a first level, I have a 26,000 target on the Dow, and on the S&P, at least on a short-term level basis, we're probably going to get down to around about that maybe 3,200 level on the S&P 500. So it's looking actually quite ugly here. Again, traders, what I said before, that we could get a bit of a bounce here because we have been coming down for quite some time. But then it's probably going to roll over, and then we're probably going to start to see something like that. So don't try and buy the bottom, all right? Don't try and time the bounce, because it's just not a really good thing to do by trying to time the bounce in the markets there. So that's what I'm looking at there right now on the S&P 500. Get ready for more downside to come, and same for the gold market as well too. Gold market has now broken past previous lows, and we have a lot more downside to come with gold as well too. Yes, someone asked me, am I bullish on gold still? I've never been bullish right now. I've always said by the end of this decade, we're probably going to see much higher prices. But when that bull market starts, we never know, right? Because that bull market could start today, right? It could start today and could then slowly go up for the next few years, right? So, but on the short term, if everything's going through a deflationary phase and the market's going to keep going down through here, and so are commodity prices, guess what's also is going to be affected? That's right, gold as well too. So if we have a look at the gold market here, is, guess what? Is doing a big, massive double top formation, right? Big, massive double top formation, and then a big sort of support level. And look what happened here. We just broke straight through it, and we've continued down. So for me personally, right now, I have a target, and you gold bugs are going to dislike the hell out of this video right now about what I'm about to say right now. Again, traders, in an investment opportunity, when I'm buying and holding, I like gold. Short-term analysis on what's happening and what's probably going to happen over the next 6 to 12 months, this thing is probably going to get pummeled, absolutely pummeled, down to around that 1,350 level. That's my target right now on the gold market. So we are getting a lot of selling, and that's where I've also said, if you guys that have been looking at the Bitcoin market and so on and so forth, that I believe, same with Bitcoin, okay? Same with the Bitcoin market, that I believe that we're likely to be starting to get some really strong movements on the downside, and we're about to see a very strong capitulation move as well with Bitcoin. I have a target right now with Bitcoin down at 10,000 for Bitcoin to get down to. We're probably going to see a very strong move on the downside here with Bitcoin, and they're probably going to end up down around that 10,000 level down through there as well too. If we have a look at things like Ethereum, like Neo, Cardano as well too. Cardano is one that I'm actually looking to short. So I'm waiting for the breakaway bar, but this is actually setting up for a really nice shorting opportunity for me. I've actually made a lot of money shorting these markets, guys. So please don't be like one-sided. I'm just going to buy, I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy, right? Going down doesn't mean bad as well too, right? It's like, oh, the market's going to crash 50%. It's so bad. No, there's such thing as a put option. There's such thing as short, right? Like it's not good or bad. It's just, it's actually good. It's actually good when you think about it, right? Because if you can get some really good opportunities to short it and then ride it on the way down, guess what? Oh, that's when you can start to really benefit really, really well from it, right? Same with Dogecoin as well too. And XRP has actually had a bit of a rally, but this is a fake out, guys. This is a fake out. Do not be fooled by this. Look what's happening right now. This is the weekly chart here, right? This is the weekly chart. What are we getting right now? This is going to be a fake out. Do not be fooled. Down, lower high, lower high, lower high. Look what's happening here. Rallied up. Guess what? We're in a downward trend here, traders. This is probably going to be a complete fake out. And I even saw a video titled XRP to the moon. No, XRP to be delisted. And I'm sure I got some crypto guys that dislike the video again. Traders, I'm just reading what the market's telling me right now. One of the biggest lessons that I've had to learn over my last 18 years trading the markets is, guess what? Is continue to focus on what the market's telling me. And right now the market is down, right? And so therefore, we're probably going to get a fake out here. This is probably going to come down, break the 30-cent level on XRP, and then go to delist, okay? There is a massive capitulation coming in the crypto market, guys. It is coming. Do not be trying to fool yourself or there's no way that this can happen or that can happen or there's no way, right? No way. Yes way, and it can happen, and guess what? And it's probably going to happen. But the good thing is, guys, if you have a platform to short it, look for opportunities. As I said before, like my number one thing is Cardano. This one here is setting up real nice, like real nice for an amazing opportunity. And you can make so much money on the downside as well too, right? Look at this here. We're getting all this sideways movement. Once we do break, guess what? Cardano's next support level is where? Probably down through, or maybe even a bit higher than that, right? Maybe that's the support level there, but it's probably going to break that, right? So if we look at Cardano as a breaking, if we can get something like this, right? Where's my bar? Where's my trend line, right? If we can get something like this, like a big strong breakaway bar, guess what? Game on, boy. Game on, girl. And then we're probably going to make our way down to where? We get something like that. We're going to make our way down all the way down to around that $5 level from there. So that's what I'm seeing through there, traders, by looking at this here. But again, don't be so, it's not like it's so bad. No, it's actually really good, right? I'm actually in a stock right now that is short, right? I actually am short a stock right now. Now that doesn't mean I'm not bearish on the stock market because I'm short. I'm bearish on the stock market because the market is continuing to go down. I even did videos last week about this as well too, right? Is that massive panic selling, capitulation is coming, and it's going to shock so many people out there that they just don't know what to do with this. So please, guys, please throw your ego out the window, focus on what the market is telling you, and I know you can do really well. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go do that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.